Welcome back. In just 3 minutes, we're going to explore how AI is being used right now, not in the future, but across real industries today. From film and healthcare to logistics and material science, AI is no longer limited to big tech labs. And understanding these real-world use cases matters now more than ever.
AI is already reshaping creative industries. Tools like Stable Diffusion help filmmakers, game designers, and advertisers generate visuals, storyboard scenes, and automate post-production tasks. These models are evolving to support highly specific needs, like shot composition and scene editing, freeing up time for human creativity to take center stage. AI is also becoming more lightweight and accessible. Thanks to innovations like liquid neural networks, AI can now run on phones, vehicles, and even offline devices. This means faster response times, more privacy, and less dependence on cloud computing, perfect for autonomous systems and remote environments. In healthcare, AI is shifting from text-based tools to chemistry-based models. By training AI on molecular structures and chemical interactions, researchers are exploring new treatments for diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's, making AI a key player in scientific discovery, not just task automation. None of this is possible without the hardware behind it. Modern GPUs now process huge amounts of data using parallel matrix math, enabling breakthroughs in drug development, energy research, and battery optimization by simulating complex systems at massive scale. In business, AI is powering more than chatbots. It's being used to optimize supply chains, improve recruitment, analyze financials, and support engineering and product design in industries like automotive, aerospace, and manufacturing. AI is also leveling the playing field. Small, focused teams can now automate what once took entire departments, fueling a wave of AI-native startups that are agile, data-driven, and built to scale fast. With the right tools, a team of 5 can now rival a company of 50. To use AI effectively, education is critical. It's not just about learning how AI works. It's about tackling data quality, rethinking workflows, and being willing to take calculated risks. Because in today's world, standing still is the biggest risk of all.
AI is no longer theoretical, it's foundational. And the more we understand how it's actually used, the better prepared we are to shape its role in business, science, and everyday life. So here's a question for you. How do you think AI will reshape your industry? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's thinking about the future. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.